What's up, nigga? Hey, bro. So, this is your cool friend here, Madagascar. I'm trying to explain to you, as Les Brown was saying, about improvement. Okay, if this is your first time on this channel, try to follow me, and I'll give you much more things which I know to make you moving away. So, as Les Brown said that, for most of us do something and we think that practice makes us perfect. At the first step, I repeat that again. At the first step, it is okay. But once you do something over and over and over again, we think that we'll never be perfect. So what? Don't be disappointed on this, because practice makes improvement. Alright? Practice makes improvement. But practice doesn't make you perfect. Okay? Practice doesn't make you perfect. Practice makes improvement. Once you do something again and again, it means that you will be the best. Alright? You will be the best. Don't try to be the perfect. Try to be the best. As Les Brown said that, practice what? Comment below. Practice what? Makes improvement. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you need much more development, progress in your life, your boy is here. Next time again, follow me and check the link below right here.